In the era of YouTube or TikTok, when all the information can be viewed or listened to, it is hard to make our children read. However, mastering this skill is critical, and unfortunately, it does not occur in a natural way. Nevertheless, with your positive attitude and enthusiasm, as well as our professional expertise, we can make this process simple, enjoyable, and most importantly, effective for your children. Perfect timing. It is preferable to begin teaching your child to read in English after they have mastered reading in their native language, and they should have good technical skills, making syllables from letters and words from syllables. Then, when teaching reading in English, attention will be focused only on sound letter and letter sound combinations, and your child will be less stressed during the learning process. The ABC. Learning the alphabet is the first step in acquiring reading skills. For most children, learning the alphabet begins with listening to their parents read them stories. In particular, regular reading helps expand their knowledge, facilitates greater communication skills, and most importantly, it helps your child understand that the stories change depending on the text inside the books, and that the text is made up of letters from the alphabet. Choose books with colorful pictures and a simple and funny plot. Pictures will help keep your child's attention, and simple words will be easier to process. Start teaching the letters with your child's first name. It is one of the first words they recognize. Begin by spelling out their name using cut-out or magnetic letters. Then help your child identify and remember each letter in their name through repetition and positive reinforcement until they've mastered it. Once they have memorized the letters in their name, you can start playing simple alphabet games with those letters. For example, if your child's name is Kate, start by listing 3 to 5 words that start with the letter K, and use repetition until they have memorized the list, and then move on to the letter A, and so on. Another way to introduce letters is by working with familiar words. Children have a base vocabulary to begin with. That's why learning how to read words they are already familiar with is a good place to start. Choose concrete nouns that can be prompted using pictures. Keep the words short, 1 to 2 syllable words. You can play the following game. Place a picture and write the word with one missing letter. Say that word several times and ask your child to name the missing letter. This way, both auditory and visual memory will be developed. Songs and nursery rhymes. Children's songs and nursery rhymes aren't just for fun. The rhymes and rhythms help children hear the sounds and syllables in words, which in turn helps them learn to read. Play a song and start clapping rhythmically together and recite songs in unison. Don't focus on the fact that the words in the song can be unfamiliar. The most important thing here is to develop auditory skills and sound recognition, thus building a connection between letters, sounds, and names. Keep it light. Learning new things is always stressful. That's why it is crucial to find a perfect balance when helping your child to learn reading. Choose quality over quantity. It's better to dedicate the process 10 to 15 minutes a day for a couple of weeks and achieve the goal than trying to teach all the letters and sounds in one day and demotivate your child because they will obviously be overwhelmed. Nobody is keeping score. Don't consider this as teaching. It's more about spending time with your child and helping them acquire new skills. To be honest, it doesn't matter to children whether they succeed or fail at something. It's more important to them to see you close by, to feel your support, and to know that you value their efforts. Be there for your child and celebrate small victories. Without even noticing it, they will try harder just to make you happy. We hope these tips were useful. Thank you for showing your support and interest in our videos and being part of educating your child. With a parent like you, your child will achieve great results. Stay safe and see you soon!